Welcome to today's English grammar lesson. In this lesson, we will learn the present continuous tense, also known as the I am doing form. Anne is in her car. She is on her way to work. At this moment, she is driving. The action is happening now, so we use the present continuous tense. To make the present continuous tense, use a subject, then am, is, or are, followed by a verb with ing. For example, I am working. He is driving. They are studying. If an action is happening at the moment of speaking, use the present continuous. For example, please don't make so much noise. I am working. Here are more examples. Where's Margaret? She is having a bath. Let's go out now. It isn't raining anymore. These actions are happening now. We can also ask questions using the present continuous. For example, are you enjoying the party? This asks about an action happening right now. Sometimes the action is not happening exactly at the moment of speaking. Tom says, I am reading an interesting book at the moment. This means he has started the book but has not finished it. Catherine is learning Italian. Some friends are building their own house. These actions are happening around the present time. We use the present continuous for temporary situations. For example, you're working hard today. Is Susan working this week? No, she is on holiday. The present continuous can describe changes happening around us. For example, the population of the world is rising very fast. Is your English getting better? Let's review. Use the present continuous for actions happening now, activities around the present time, temporary situations, and changes. The formula is subject plus am, is, or are plus verb-ing. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing English every day.